Hey everybody, it's time to celebrate Easter Make It Mini style. I'm kind of excited about these. I almost threw them, but that's okay because like half of my videos are me throwing things, so you know, that's the fun. These cupcakes look adorable, and I want to reiterate that if you save the mold, well, yeah, exactly. It's not a mold, but you can absolutely put clay in these and air dry and make more little cupcakes. So the first thing we do here is remove the cupcakes because I don't want to mess up the tray. I am slightly disappointed that they're all green. I was hoping for a bunch of random colors, but that's all right. We don't mind. Put this tray somewhere safe, far away from me and my resin creation here. Get the lid over here too. Here's some of the decorations they've given us. I think they're really, really cute. I'm going to pop this open off camera. Fun fact, why do I open things off camera? Because I throw them on accident, so it makes a mess, but this is somewhat okay. There are some in the lid, but we're all right. We're going to be okay. The most important thing to do is like really just be prepared. Have everything open and ready to go so that as soon as you start dropping resin, you can hit save, you know, and keep it moving. I put my recipe book with all my other ones. The set came with cute little purple tweezers and purple table. So I'm going to try not to mess that one up too because I think it's super duper cute. So what we're going to do is actually slide on over to the kitchen because I have a table used previously for this. So we're going to readjust the camera a little for you guys. Boom. And I'll be right back. Welcome back, beautiful people. Try to get to focus better. There we go. Because I felt like that was horrifying. So we've got our cream cheese frosting here that I now can't focus on because I'm focused on the cupcakes, but whatever. You get the idea. We're going to attempt to open this. All right. That went well, which makes me nervous. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, let me back up. They actually gave like a lot of resin for this, which is, you know, really exciting because they normally don't do that. Normally I'm scraping for resin out of other kits. So I think I'm going to mix a little bit first just to make sure. Consistency is amazing. Gonna make them one at a time so I don't overdo it because I don't want to mess. This is totally no. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know what? New idea. Hold with tweezers, ice with icing. Why is that not working? Okay, there we go. It's a little more betterer. Much better. Okay. Maybe we're going to go one at a time because that gave me so much anxiety. Oh, that gave me so much anxiety. It's not even funny. Am I pushing? Can I get them to stay standing up? Okay. All right. Okay. And can I add sprinkles? Oh my gosh. Guys, oh my gosh, they're everywhere. I didn't know they were that kind of sprinkles. Oh, my Lanta. Okay. Oh, wait, no. Always move your resin out of the way. It's such a mistake to make. Such a mistake. I make it often, too. But when it's a big bucket like this, especially, you'll mess it up so quick. I just want to see how this stays. I cannot believe there are now little sprinkle balls everywhere. I'm so upset. But not because it's really funny. Alright. I think we're good. I think that's good. Okay. Alright. That's actually really adorable. I only have to do that 5 more times. Okay. I can do this. I'm going to pull some resin out that has the ball on it because we've done that now. And there's a ball on this one. Come here, little bunny. Just get out of the way. Just get out of the... Oh, right. Tweezer. No mistake. Okay. No. Stay. Stay. No. No. Stay. Okay. Okay, we're going to spread it around. We're spreading it around. Okay. Put the knife back in the resin. Move the resin to another floor. We are going to add a carrot to this one if I can pick it up at all. I'm trying to pick it up. I promise. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. There's one. I kind of want two on it. Oh, I'm throwing the ears. Okay, I'm taking everything out of the packaging from the decorations because this is complicated and you have to kind of have them like in your hand and not in your hand, but you know, like in your space and ready to go, because this is a whole crazy show over here. This is so messy. I love it. Okay, sprinkles. Can you hear them just bouncing away? They're rolling off my desk into my lap. They're everywhere. Throw them at it. All right, let's make the next one. Oh, you know what? Should I cure it maybe? Because I'm nervous. I did move the resin. I might as well. Right? Just get that done real quick. I don't know. I'm still going to bake them in the oven over there. I just kind of... helps if I aim correctly. I just want to kind of like give it a little boost so that I don't make an even bigger mess. I have a secondary set of tweezers here that is not covered in resin, so we're just gonna... Really? How did I tried to move it so gently. Are you cereal right now? Come on. Thank you. All right. Let's line these up. Really? Okay. Okay. It's okay. We're gonna get that cupcake right now. We're gonna... no. Come on. All right. I got the cupcake in my hand. You're dead cereal right now. Okay. Okay. We're okay. We're okay. I have 3 more sets of ears and 2 carrots. So this is messy and fun, and it's okay. Right? Messes are super fun. So let's get some more icing, but not too much. I'm gonna have a lot of leftover icing on this, which is good for me. Bad idea, right? Because I was using the tweezers the whole time, but this time I thought I was... You know what? That's all right. My genius self can make bad choices. All I want is my mess. I gotta clean it up after nobody else, so it doesn't matter, right? As long as I'm not making someone else clean up my mess, we cool. And I would never... Not unless someone offered to clean up my mess, though. That's a whole different ball game, because someone walked up right now and was like, yo, I will clean up your whole resin mess. Make whatever you want. I would go to town. I absolutely would. What am I supposed to do with all this extra frosting, guys? What did you do with your extra frosting? Oh my gosh. That's not supposed to happen right now. Okay, there we go, kind of. I never said I was good at this, for those of you following. Okay, you know what? No, my counter is just a little in the way, so we've got to slide that out of the way. All right. Cool, cool. Cupcake. Grasp. Icing. Done. Almost. Done. Put little cupcake down. Okay. Now we're going to do our best to get the icing off the knife, because I really wanted to mold this, but I don't know that that's going to go that way. Now, the first thing you do, since you're all done with the resin, is close the resin. All right, guys? Close your resin. Don't accidentally cure it. There's a lot left over in some of these. You'll be sad, Sally. I'm going to just do one of these to the knife real quick so I don't make a mess with it, because I got to put it down. I don't know where to put it, so I don't want to make a bigger mess than I'm already making. It's like semi-cured. That's good enough. Okay, cool. So let's get our bunny ears. And let's start putting them on. And we'll all hope together that they don't fall off. Fun fact, using the LOL dollhouse and the screw holes, because I had to cut the top floor off. Oh no. The screw holes can fit the toppers from the balls, which I thought was pretty neat, because I could put bunny ears sticking out of the top, the ceilings, which I thought was pretty funny. So I'm gonna do that, probably. I almost threw this little carrot. My tweezer seems to have obtained a sense of humor that I don't appreciate at all. I gotta be really careful not to knock into the other ones, because you know what happens. If I do, I'm doomed. So let's try to... Oh, why? Where's the other set of tweezers? Oh, I lost him. I lost him right in front of me. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna hold this bad boy still and try to rotate that carrot. Yay, it worked. Oh my goodness. I've never had such good luck with stuff like this. All right. I'm nervous about this because it's about to be very messy. Oh my gosh. Do this on a plate, guys. Do this on a plate. Absolutely do this on a plate. So we're going to partially cure them here. And then we're going to put them in our oven to ensure that they get fully baked. I just don't want to, there's these little tiny sprinkles everywhere. I don't want the ears to fall off while I'm transferring them into the oven. And this light is weak. I don't really suggest you buy any of these little flashlights from Amazon unless you really look at the reviews and know what you're buying, because this was an overall pick and it is terrible. It's really terrible. Everything stays sticky with it unless I'm like on it. Brand new batteries. Totally not worth it. I think that's good enough, right? Yeah, we're cool. All right. We're not going to talk about all the sprinkles that are in my lap right now. We're really not. Because it's crazy. We're going to transfer these back to our little baking pan now that they're mostly cured and somewhat safe to touch. Because I didn't want to mess up the pan. Remember, I was like super nervous about that. They are still very, very resiny though. So don't get it twisted. It is definitely not cured yet. There's still little stuff going everywhere. Alright, so now that we're getting out of the way and just getting more sprinkles everywhere, we're going to open up our little mini oven here. Since it's not hot yet, we don't need the oven mitts yet. And we're going to put our cupcakes in. Now, was that a joke? No. Resin does get hot. So the oven mitts are cute and fun, but really, they actually keep your fingers pretty safe, which is pretty cool. See you in 5 minutes. I just want to say I'm never going to recover from the amount of these little balls that are now everywhere in my bedroom, because I didn't do this on a plate. So please use a plate or flip this over and use this area, because you can catch it a little bit better, because that was awful. It really, like, they're everywhere. And I don't mind because, you know, it's fun, but I gotta get them all because I have a cat, so it's gonna be a little tough to clean this up. But I've already got like a whole pile of them. We are almost done. Let's take them out, guys. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, it's hot. No me gusta. Gotta get our oven mitts. Okay. All right. Ouch. Let's not make that mistake again. There you go, guys. We did it. It came with a really cute display, but when I made the petite fours, it didn't go well when I was trying to put them on it. It went really bad. So if you really want to see me do it, I can try, but I drop everything, and I don't think it's a good idea. So I think, you know, we're going to just maybe skip that part. We're not going to, we're just going to say, look at these beautiful Easter cupcakes. They're so cute. And at some point, sometime, I'll put them on there. I don't know who I'm trying to convince, me or you. Okay, let's do it real quick. Let's put my oven mitts away. All right. Let's get our little table, because we don't serve on the floor. That's just not okay, right? Okay. Let's put these down here. Turn. Thank you. I love how it listened. It's like, please, please. Just give a little spinny, spinny. Woo! Spinny, spinny. Okay, come on. Get on there. I'd love for you to face that. Oh, yay. Cooperation. Sorry if it keeps refocusing, because I totally forgot to lock it this time. Okay. One. Can I do it lefty? Oh, I knocked something else over. We're not even going to talk about it, because I did it. It's beautiful. That's so awesome, guys. I'm blocking your light. I'm sorry. I'll turn it this way. I love this set. Make it minis rock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you don't, and I'll create with you next time. Later.